Hey guys, it's Zaki here, and today I'm back with a new series, and it is the PC build. Today I'm building the $350 gaming PC build. So with no further ado, let's get started. Before starting the video, I just want to say that all the products are my personal recommendation. So if you have your own recommendation, make sure to comment down below. So starting with the case, I'm using Roseville case which comes for $29. As the budget is too low, I wasn't able to use a gaming case. However, this case is okay. Next up is the motherboard. For the motherboard, I'm using the Asus H81M Micro ADX gaming motherboard. This motherboard is a beast for a budget. The motherboard has two USB 3.0 ports for faster file transport. It also has USB 3.0 boost, which is 170% faster than traditional USB 3.0. It has two SATA 3GB per second port and two SATA 6GB per second port, and it's just insane. It has two DDR3 RAM slots and it supports up to 32GB of RAM. It is 4K Ultra HD ready. This means you can insert 4K graphics in it without any problem. The motherboard supports Intel 4th generation Core i7, i5, i3, Pentium and Celeron processors. All this comes for just $54, and from my opinion, I really like this. Moving on, we have processor. For the processor, I choose the Intel G3 258 4 Pentium processor, pricing at $69. It has 2 cores, which is a bit of disappointing, but still for the budget, I think this is okay. Next up is the RAM. For the RAM, I choose the Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR3 RAM clocked at 1600 MHz. This RAM is very good for gaming, and I think this is a decent choice for $40. The thing that I like personally is that you can overclock the RAM, which helps you to speed up your PC, and that's really awesome. Talking about the graphics card, I use the Zotac GeForce 750 Ti, and this graphics card comes for $100. I think it is the best graphics card for $100. I don't know if there are any others, but make sure to put it in the comment section down below if you have other good options. The graphics card has 2 DVI ports and 1 HDMI port. It has a 2GB DDR5 graphics running at 1350 MHz. This graphics card allows dual monitor gaming, and that is a great feature for $100. Overall, the graphics card is really good and I liked it. Next up is the power supply. For the power supply, I choose the EVGA 500 watt power supply. I picked the white version because this is the best choice for the build. However, this power supply is good enough for the GPU that I have used in this build, and it comes for $35. Now we have the HDD hard disk. For the hard disk, I choose the Western Digital Caviar Blue 320GB, and which comes at $17. The main reason for choosing 320GB is to use a good graphics and 8 gigs of RAM. Besides, you can get to the 500GB or the 1TB version if you decide to pay some more. Finally, we have the DVD driver. For the DVD driver, I use the Samsung DVD driver, which comes for $21. This is an extra thing to the build, but I feel like it's okay and it's good to just add the DVD driver because you don't know when you will need it. So however, if you think you need it, you can add it, but if you don't, just put it away. So that was all for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more PC builds. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below for infos and suggestions. Hope that this video was helpful. All the products are linked down below. Make sure to check out my music channel for the link in the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and feel free to share. Follow me on Twitter at @AsanzurunZakir.